biggest part.
Look at the juice coming out of it.
Oh, right.
Good morning, everybody. We are going to be doing a brisket flat this morning. I know a lot of people are like me. They don't have a family of 10 people. You don't need 15 pounds of meat on every cook. So we're going to do a small flat. It's quick, it's delicious, and it's a little bit cheaper. So let's get into it. The other nice thing about a flat is you don't have a whole lot of trimming to do. It's pretty much out of the pack and ready to go. First thing we need to do, dry this thing off. Just blot it. Just like that. Now, we're going to take some of our Valhalla Skull Original, get them a little mess as possible. Just enough to get everything coated and use it as a binder. Alright, now, obviously we've got our hands dirty, but over here, using our Valhalla Skull Original Seasoning, coat this dude up. With the brisket, you do not have to worry about over seasoning. That side. Go ahead and get our fat side. Alright. Rub in our seasoning. Make sure all the surfaces have got plenty on it. Just like so.
It already looks pretty good.
Also use it right. Alright, next step, see you at the smoker. Alright, we are out here at the smoker. We're set at 225 degrees. We're going to go directly on the rack with the fat cap up. We're not super hot, so we don't have to worry about damaging our meat. Put that right there. Put your probe in the thickest part, and we're going to let that cook until it gets an internal temperature of 205 degrees. We'll see you here in about 4 hours and give it a check, see how it's doing. Alright, so we've been on the smoker about 4.5 hours at this point. Our internal temperature has come up to 155 degrees. Right now, we're going to go ahead and wrap it and take our temperature up to 275 and go ahead and push this thing on up to our 205 internal temp. It'll be perfect. Wow. Oh my goodness. I wish you guys could smell this.
They all say.
All right, we'll see you back whenever we are up to 205 internal. Okay. We got our brisket up to 205 on the internal. We pulled it. We let it rest for about an hour. Let's see what we have. Goodness. That smells.
Adam, what's the best knife to cut brisket with?
Oh.
That's right, the knife you're most comfortable.
Goodness. Look at the juice coming out of it.
Oh, right, it's gonna burn your ass. Sounds wet.
Going in. with something on there?
Wonderful. That Valhalla skull seasoning though, Adam.
So give that thing just a little bit cool. Gotta get you a piece with a big chunk of fat on there. Here's the real deal. Make it a little better.
We're going hot or original? Original.
This is the Valhalla Skull Original.
I'm getting in on that. Yeah.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
Ugh. Ha! Oh my god. Son, you the fuck up.
Slow clap. Yeah. Like I said, for just being a flat, that's, yeah, man, it's good. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned a little something. We're going to do a little bit of a series on this. We're going to take our leftovers and we're going to show you all what to do with the leftover brisket.